To create a floor plan, click the menu button in the top right corner, then choose Edit Floor Plan. Start by dragging a table of your choice from the options on the left side onto the floor plan. Enter the table number at the top and set the table's maximum capacity. Choose whether you'd like this table to be available for reservations. If the reservation switch is turned off, you'll still be able to seat reservations at that table manually. However, you won't be able to reserve that table in advance, and it will not appear as an option for guests making online reservations. And rotate it by 90 degrees if needed. When finished, click Save Table. You can then drag and move the table anywhere within the floor plan. To organize your layout, switch between rooms using the tabs at the top. To edit a table, simply click it to open the Table Settings menu. From there, you can adjust its details or delete the table by clicking the Delete button at the top. When your floor plan is complete, use the resizing bar to resize all tables at once to your preference. Then click Done in the top right corner to save your new layout.